Hello everyone, today we are going to create 3D models with CATMA 2021. Okay, first in here I will create new drawings. You can click these icons and I will use GCAD ISO template. You can click open. The next you can click view tabs and we can use current view in here. So for the first I will create circle start from this point and we can set for radius into 24. You can use scroll mouse to zoom in and zoom out. The next we create lines start from this point and move to the left here. We can set into 70. Okay, you can use a trim command, press enter twice, and you can press a shift button, hold, and click at this point, this line to use extend tools. The next I will cut at these circles and also we cut again at this point. Okay. Now you can use join command, type J and you can press enter, select this all objects, press enter again. We can use offset command to offset with distance 10 and we can offset these objects to the top here. You can press enter to close. Use line command to connect between these two lines and also I will create lines start from these points into here. Use trim command again, press enter twice and we can cut these arch objects. Press enter. Now we can join these all objects into polyline objects. You can see it will be joined. In it I will create a line start from these points and you can move to the top. We can set into 30. Move to the left here. We can set into 40. The next you can sort at these points until you see plus green icons and you can move to the right here. You can set into 30 and you can click at this point. You can use arch command to create arch start from these points. Move into here, middle point and click at this point. Finally, we can use a join command to combine these objects and you can press enter. So we have already two polyline objects. Okay, you can create circle start from this point. You can sort and also sort at this point, move to the center points. In here we can set for radius into 8 and then I will use a fillet command with radius 10. You can click at this point and also we fillet at this corner point. Okay. The next you can use orbit tools and in here I will use 3D rotate to rotate these objects. You can tap 3D rotate, press enter, select these all objects. We can click at this point for specific point and we can rotate in x-axis, in right axis. You can tap X, you can press enter. For rotation we can click at this points and we can set into a 90 degree at this point. Okay, now to convert into 3D models we can use extrude command. You can type extrude, press enter, select at these objects, enter again and we can extrude in here about 60 or we can type 60, press enter. The next we can extrude again these objects into 10 points. And I will use a subtract command to subtract this object with this object. So it will be quite tall, you can see in a realistic view. So it's for realistic view. The next I will use copy command to copy these objects. Okay, start from this point and we can move into this point. You can press escape button to close. To combine this object, you can use a union command. You can type union, press enter, select this all objects and press enter again. So it will be combined. I will use these options. Now in here I will use fillet command with radius 30. We can fillet at this edge. Also we can fillet at this edge. You can press enter. We can use fillet edge. Okay, you can click these commands and then we can set for radius into 30. For edges you can select at this edge and also we can select at this edge. We can press enter to apply. The next we can create a circle. Okay, start from this center point, and we can set for a radius into 12. We can use extrude command to extrude a circle objects to the bottom here, and use a subtract command to subtract these objects with these cylinder objects. Okay, now we already create these simple 3D models with CADMAT 2021. If you have any question about these tutorials, you can comment below this video.